Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook red fish. First, selecting quality fish is key. Look for firm, bright fillets. Always rinse your fish quickly under cold water, then thoroughly pat it dry with paper towels to ensure a crispy skin. Liberally season both sides with salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and perhaps a touch of garlic powder or paprika. This initial preparation sets the foundation for a delicious meal. For a fantastic crispy skin, pan-searing is an excellent method. Heat about 2 tablespoons of avocado or grapeseed oil in a sturdy skillet over medium-high heat until it just begins to shimmer. Carefully place the red fish fillet skin side down and cook undisturbed for 3 to 5 minutes until the skin is golden brown. Then, flip the fish and finish cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes, ensuring it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, roasting yields incredibly tender results. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil a baking sheet or line it with parchment paper before placing your seasoned red fish fillets on top. Roast for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness, until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit and the flesh is opaque. This method ensures moist, flavorful fish with minimal effort. Once your red fish is cooked to perfection, allow it to rest for a couple of minutes before serving. This helps redistribute the juices, keeping it moist. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dollop of herb butter truly elevates the flavor profile. Pair your perfectly cooked red fish with a light salad, some steamed green beans, or roasted asparagus for a complete and wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.